the storm in Calgary, Alberta on, I believe it's July the 2nd at about 6:30 p.m. Just nutty rain. I just saw a pile of cars pulled off, stuck in giant puddles. And it occurs to me that electric vehicles like Teslas, in this case I've got my 2021 Tesla S Model 3 Standard Range Plus, and it occurs to me that the amount of water that they can go through is probably considerably more than a conventional ICE vehicle. And the logic for that is that the weight of the battery probably helps keep the vehicle grounded, and secondly, because the battery pack obviously has to be watertight, as well as all of the other electric components, with the possible exception of the motor, and I think that's watertight as well, but I'm just not positive of it. I think that this can go through deeper water with less effort. And I wonder if Mr. Musk or some engineer would have an opinion on that, and whether that's been tested. I, again, just saw, a little bit back, a pile of vehicles stuck under what appeared to be a giant puddle. I shouldn't say under, should say stuck in a giant puddle. They weren't submerged, but they were certainly up to the door frames and up to the door wells. And I wonder what an engineer or Elon Musk or others at, say, GM with their new battery packs has to say about that. I'll bet that that is the case. If you have a comment on it, I'd love to hear it. So please put your comment below. You can always get a hold of us at www.partisanissues.com. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I know there's a construction site up here, and I can't see it. See the 50-kilometer sign on the right. There's the construction there. I'm holding the steering wheel very firm, but finding that even through the deep excess water on the road, that this is plowing through it without any troubles. That makes me happy. Wow, this is absolutely nutty. If it starts to hail, I gotta find a bridge to get under. I can see somebody's already pulled over up here because they're afraid. So the flooding that I would have expected has taken place, and I can see there's at least one vehicle stuck in front of that truck. He's not going anywhere. Let's see what it gets like up here. Look at this, just a river through the road. What a mess. While I've seen other cars hydroplane, this one with the standard all-season tires just seems to plow right through it. I think the combination of the weight from the battery and decent tires makes the difference. And I say decent tires because this is a new one. This is a 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus.